Hey everyone, welcome back to Super Top. Today we're turning up the heat with a look at electric fireplaces. Whether you're looking to add a cozy ambiance to your living room or just want an efficient way to warm up your space, electric fireplaces are an increasingly popular choice. But are they right for you? In this video, we'll go over the pros and cons of electric fireplaces so you can decide if they're the perfect fit for your home. If you're interested in exploring the best options with all the top features, you can find the links to our recommended products in the video description. Let's get into it. Pros of electric fireplaces. Let's start with the pros because there's a lot to love about electric fireplaces. First off, the biggest advantage is convenience. Unlike traditional fireplaces that require wood, gas lines, or chimneys, electric fireplaces simply plug into a standard outlet. This means no messy wood chopping, no smoke, and no need for a professional installation. You can set them up in minutes and enjoy instant heat and ambiance with the push of a button. Another major benefit of electric fireplaces is their safety. With no real flames, there's no risk of sparks, ashes, or carbon monoxide, making them a safe option for homes with children or pets. Most models come with cool-to-touch glass and automatic shut-off features, giving you peace of mind while you enjoy the cozy atmosphere they create. Electric fireplaces are also highly energy efficient. They convert nearly all the electricity they use into heat, and many models allow you to control the heat output, so you're not wasting energy when you just want the visual effect of the flames. Plus, they're great for zone heating, allowing you to warm up specific rooms without cranking up your central heating system, which can save you money on your energy bills. Another pro is the variety of designs and styles available. Whether your home decor is modern, rustic, or somewhere in between, there's an electric fireplace to match. From wall-mounted units to freestanding models, and even those that mimic traditional wood stoves, electric fireplaces come in a wide range of styles that can fit any space and aesthetic. Remember, if you are interested in purchasing a product with all the positive features mentioned above, we will leave you the links with the best options in the video description. Cons of electric fireplaces. Now let's talk about some of the cons, though they're not too severe and are often manageable. One of the main drawbacks is that electric fireplaces can't match the heat output of gas or wood-burning fireplaces. While they're great for supplemental heating and can warm up a room, they're not designed to be the primary heat source for large areas or very cold climates. If you're looking for something that can heat an entire home, you might need to look at other options. Another consideration is that while electric fireplaces create a realistic flame effect, it's still an imitation. If you're someone who loves the crackle of real wood and the smell of a traditional fire, an electric fireplace won't quite replicate that experience. However, many people find the convenience and cleanliness to be a worthy trade-off. Electric fireplaces also rely on electricity, so in the event of a power outage, you'll lose both the heat and the ambiance they provide. This is something to keep in mind if you're in an area prone to outages and are relying on the fireplace as a heat source. Lastly, while electric fireplaces can be relatively affordable, high-end models with more realistic flame effects and additional features can get pricey. However, considering the savings on installation and maintenance compared to traditional fireplaces, many find the cost to be reasonable. So, there you have it, the pros and cons of electric fireplaces. They offer convenience, safety, and energy efficiency, along with a variety of styles to suit any decor. While they may not provide the same heat output or authentic feel of traditional fireplaces, they bring a lot of comfort and charm to any space with minimal hassle. If you're ready to add some warmth and ambiance to your home, check out the links to the most recommended electric fireplaces in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews and top picks. See you at the next Super Top.